Hello friends, myself Kalpana. Today we are going to study the difference between sound of letters C and K. In English language we have 26 alphabets and these 26 alphabets have 42 sounds. Now before moving on other alphabets, let us move on towards the C and K. Now we have letters C and K. C also sound as S in some cases and C also sound as K. Whereas K remains K only. Okay. Now in English language we have vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. Some of the vowels goes with C. Then the sound of C becomes K and S. Let us see how. Now if the vowels like A, O and U. If C letter goes with vowel A, O, U, the sound of this letter, these words will become K. Like K at a cat, COW cow, or CUBEQ. Can you hear me? K at a cat. I am saying K. It goes with the vowel A. COW cow. It goes with the vowel O. COW cow. CUBEQ. It goes with the vowel U. So here the sound of the C is K. In other case, if the letter C goes with another vowel like I, E and Y, let us see how. S. If the letter C goes with E, I and Y, the sound of these words will become S. Let us see how. Let us say we see for center. CENTER, center. CEN, S. I. CITY, city. CITY, city. CY, CYCLE, cycle. CYCLE, cycle. Here the letter C goes with vowel E, I and consonant Y. Then the sound of this C letter becomes S. Not only small kids, younger children also get confused during these letters reading or pronunciation. So for their clarification, please correct them. If the C letter goes with vowel A, O, U, then the sound of the C letter becomes K. If the C letter goes with vowel I, E, I or consonant Y, the sound of the word starts with letter S. These word sound will become S. Now let us learn about the sound of K. Sound of letter K always remains K, K, K. Not like C where it changes with the sum of the vowels. Letter K sound has only one, that is K. When it is read K, let us see. If the letter K goes with the vowel I and E. So letter K with I we have kite, king, kind, kid and many other. So here if the letter K goes with vowel I, it is always read as K, K, K. If the letter K goes with vowel E, then keen, kept and key, some other words, etc. So here again, if the letter K goes with vowel E, then the sound of the K letter remains same. Not like S, that is K. Sometimes S and sometimes K. C letter with A, O, U, K. C letter with I, E, I and Y, S. Now for clearing your doubts, let us take one example. For example, I'll take as this word kilo, or you can also take it as kiwi. Kids get confused where to write K and where to write C. Now to clear their doubt, first of all, make them to repeat the word kilo, kilo, kiwi, kiwi. Now if I change the letter K, clear their doubts that C goes with I, E and Y, its sound will become S. Now here if the K is changes with C, then this will be read as silo, silo. Again here, if I change K with C, then sound of this word will become sivi, sivi. It doesn't have any meaning. So here, to clear their doubts, erase this letter and write kilo. Now the correct word is kilo. Erase this letter C, write the K. Now the correct word is kiwi. Kiwi means a fruit. Kilo means a kilogram. So they make the clear this doubt. If this doubt is not clear, they might confuse. Not the children only, but younger people also get confused. To clear such doubts, welcome to method tuition classes. Thank you.